Hello, this is Chemistry 1, Unit 1, Lesson 3, Video 3. In this video, we're going to look at the differences between physical and chemical changes in matter. So we've already looked at properties. Now we're going to look at changes. So a physical change is a change in which the identity of the substance does not change. Underline does not. So if something occurs to change the appearance of something, but it doesn't change what that substance is, it would be physical. This is reversible to an extent. So they, in theory, can be reversible, but sometimes it's very hard to do. And examples, cutting something. So if I have a piece of paper, like this paper here, and I take a pair of scissors and I cut it, I have changed the appearance of the paper, but it's still paper. I just have it in two pieces. Dissolving something. So if I add salt to water and it dissolves, I can get the salt back out by removing the water, and I'd have the same thing. So I'm not changing what it is, I'm just changing what it looks like. Molding something. Grinding something into pieces. Phase changes. So if I melt something or if I boil something, it's still that substance. I have just changed its appearance. So we could list a lot more here, but I think that's a good list. Now, the only thing that really changes in the definition of a chemical change is the does not. So this is a change in which the identity of the substance does change. So this one cannot be reversed by physical means. So we cannot put things back together. We sometimes call these chemical reactions. Examples of this. We burn something. So if I took a piece of paper and I burned it, I cannot get the paper back. It has changed. Digestion of food. Once we digest the food and it comes out the other end, we can't get the food back to its original state. That would be kind of gross. Cooking is nothing more than chemical reactions or chemical changes. Rusting is another one. So if we have an old bicycle outside for a couple years and we end up with a pile of rust, we cannot take that rust and put it back together and get our bicycle back. So that is the difference between a physical and a chemical change in matter.